Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to change your background. First, get the essentials in place. Open Google Meet and join or start a meeting, then grant camera access when prompted. Make sure your lighting is even and your webcam is stable, because a clean image helps virtual backgrounds blend. Once done, pause on video preview and click the three dots or background icon to begin. You're taking the first actionable steps now, so don't skip permissions or framing. Those affect final quality and stability. Now pick the right background and adjust settings. From the preview, choose a built-in image or click the plus sign to upload your own JPG or PNG. If you upload, pick a 16:9 image at moderate resolution so Meet can process it quickly. For why this matters: simpler backgrounds reduce compositing errors, and contrast between you and the image improves the edge detection. Once selected, test by moving your hands and head. Make sure Meet holds the mask without tearing or flicker. Finish by applying the background and monitoring it during the meeting. Make small adjustments to lighting and camera angle if edges look wrong. If you see ghosting or parts of your body disappearing, turn off the virtual background and simplify your real background, then try again. Also, restart your browser, update to the latest version, or switch to a different device if performance is poor. Those steps fix most glitches. Remember, good lighting and contrast prevent 80 to 90% of common problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.